Hello, everyone, and welcome back. This is a short week, so that means there will be no Zoom. However, you will be required to do your wellness, which is another journal entry. You will also be required to do your fitness, which is honestly kind of a combination between movement and fitness. So, we're going to do a video real quick here showing you what your expectations are for this week. So, let's go ahead and get started on that. For wellness, your page will look something similar to this. Now, it won't look exactly the same because I am not in student preview. This is what my preview looks like as the teacher. But your question is, when you are struggling, who do you go to for help and how do they help you? I even put here at the bottom, take time to talk with that person or people and thank them for their support. Because I always think it's good practice to show or communicate to those people your appreciation for what they're doing and how they're investing in you. Remember with journal entries, you also have to submit a media recording or a file upload. So that would be a video of you speaking. And if you don't want your face showing, that's totally fine. You can put a piece of paper over the camera and just talk into it, or just do a voice recording. But that will be your expectations for wellness this week. Moving on to fitness, which is honestly, again, a combination of fitness and movement. You'll see a page that looks similar to this. Not quite the same because the video I'm currently making with you right now is going to get put right in here. But below that video will be this button. And when you click on this button, it will take you to a Microsoft form. And it's going to discuss 3 topics. It's going to discuss healthy surroundings, keeping your mind healthy, and how to keep your body healthy. So, with fitness, yes, it primarily focuses on physical exercising and the physical aspect of staying healthy. However, really, all these things are intertwined in giving you the ability to do that. So, actually, when you click on this button, it will take you to a form that looks like this. And you'll see there are 3 questions, and it is labeled. So, this one is care for your surroundings. And it says, choose one of the following to complete at home. So if I were filling this out for myself for this week or next week, I would read through these and think through, okay, which one do I not typically do? Which one might help me the most? And I actually already did something that I'll show you in a bit, but I'm going to click other for that one. Choose one of the following to complete at home in regards to keeping your mind healthy. So you can do a puzzle, a word search. There are all these options. And of course, I could click nap because I love taking naps. But since I already do that every so often, I'm going to click on this one so I can try something new. I want to read something I don't typically read. And caring for your body. So I'm going to choose go on a walk or run. There are all these other options for you to choose from. You can also click other. But I have plans on next Monday to go on a hike with some of my friends. So that's very similar to walking, so I'll just click that. When I'm done, I'm going to click submit, and it will give you a page that looks like this. You can view your own results to see what you did, but I kind of want to show you what I get to see as the person who made the form. The form shows me everyone's responses, and it color coordinates it, it graphs it, to where I get to see where a lot of you guys are at, or what a lot of your preferences are. So for example, the last form we did, I got to figure out that you all, for the most part, don't really like burpees or up downs, but you loved jumping jacks. For this one, I'm interested to see what you all pick and what the majority prefers. So I just thought I would show you this because I think it's kind of interesting. When you're done with this form, you're going to go back to your Canvas page, and it says submit a photo of one of the tasks you completed from the 3 categories. So, for example, if you remember, I clicked other for this category right here, pink, other. That's what I chose. So I'll show you what I would submit. I would submit a picture like this. I took some time to reorganize and fix my jump rope cart because it was all sorts of a mess, and now it's categorized by length, and it's just beautiful, and it makes me feel so much better, and it makes work go so much easier. So I would submit a picture like this. Okay, so whatever you complete for that week, submit that. After you do that, you have completed your wellness and your fitness. That is all you need to do for this week. And if you have any questions, remember you can always message me on Canvas. But until later, I hope to see you in Zoom in a couple weeks. And have a great week, team. All right, bye. Hello, I'm back. I'm back to say that when you choose something for your fitness on your form, so any of these options, make sure whatever option you choose is okay with your adult at home. If you need to ask for help, ask for help. For example, cooking, if your parents don't typically let you cook at home, ask for help from them. Okay, or choose one that they do allow you to do on your own. What I'm saying is be safe. I trust you. And if you need to ask for help from an adult, ask for help from an adult. All right, goodbye for real. See y'all soon. Bye.